If your videos look like this, no one will watch till the end. But if they look like this, people stop, watch, and follow. Let me show you how to fix your video production instantly. Most creators think they need an expensive camera, but they're wrong. Bad videos are not about the camera, they're about lighting, framing, and audio. Fix these three and your content changes completely. Tip number 1, lighting is everything. Bad lighting equals an instant scroll. You don't need fancy gear, just face a window to get that natural glow. Or use a simple ring light. The rule is, light should hit your face, not your background. Tip number 2, fix your framing. Stop standing too far from the camera. Use this rule. Eyes at the top third, clean background, and the focus on you. Your video should look intentional, not random. Tip number 3, audio matters more than video. People forgive bad visuals, but never bad sound. Use a clip mic in a quiet room, or even your phone mic close to your mouth. Clear audio equals instant professionalism every single time. Tip number 4, edit for retention. Cut the dead space and add captions. Zoom in slightly every few seconds to keep the viewer engaged. Every second counts. Bonus, your first 3 seconds decide everything. If your hook is weak, your video is dead. Start with, nobody tells you this, or you're doing this wrong, to grab attention. If you want your videos to look professional, you don't need gear, just the right strategy. Comment video for a full plan, and follow Penate Productions for real video growth tips.